Hello, Addison residents. You can now report problems using the new Addison FixIT app. Not only is it very simple, but also easy to use. So let's go over how it works. Download the app and you will see this home screen with the blueprint sculpture. Click Requests at the bottom of the screen. Here, you can create an account, or there is also an option to remain anonymous. Please keep in mind that when you make a request as an anonymous user, you will not receive feedback from the city. Now, this page requires filling out some information. Start with clicking on the black arrow. Then, select the most relevant category and click Done at the top right corner. As a quick reminder, you will see a blue check next to the completed items and red X's for those that are incomplete. Next, we will have to identify the location. Not only can you search for the address, but you can also tap on the map or move it around to set the location. Once complete, click Done at the top right corner. For the next line, this is where you can provide more details on your request. Select the issue type and click Done. Next, fill out the description and click Done. Then, you can add a photo, video, or audio. You can even take a picture on the spot to attach it to your service request. For this last line, which is the option to keep your request confidential, here's a little more detail about how that works. When you click on More, click Service Requests, and you will see Nearby Requests. This option pulls up all the nearby requests that are made public. Now, let's go back to our request page. By selecting Keep This Confidential, your request will not be made public and will not show up under the list of nearby requests. Once you've filled out all the information and everything looks good, click Submit. You will then see this pop-up notification. Click My Requests. You can see the request we just made together, and there is even a blue text box that says Received. When staff receives a request, you will see a new comment. You will see either a pop-up notification that says New Service Request Comment, or you can click on Messages at the bottom. If you are logged in, you will also receive a notification via email. You also have the option to respond to the comment. However, keep in mind that you can only respond on the app. You will not be able to respond on the email. Addison FixIT has other features besides making service requests. Click More located at the bottom right. Here, you can view Addison social media channels, calendar and events, FAQs, news, tourism information, and more about the app. From the homepage, we've also made it easy for you to access the town calendar page. This will take you directly to the calendar that is on our town website, and you can also view the Facebook and Twitter pages. Addison FixIT is available for both iPhones and Androids, so start downloading the app today. For more information, you can visit our website at addisontexas.net.